Hi, my name's Jill, and welcome to a new phonetic sounds video. This time, the sound that we're focusing on is sh. Sh. To make this sound, you pull your cheeks in a little bit, push your lips forward, your tongue is behind your top teeth, and your teeth are slightly open. Then you blow air over your tongue and out through your teeth. Shh, shh. The sound comes from only your mouth, nothing from your voice box, just from blowing air out through your teeth. Shh, shh. So let's take a look at some words that have the sh sound in them. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Shoe, shoe. Shorts, shorts. So here's a tongue twister to practice the sh sound. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. Selfish, shellfish. So the words we've looked at so far with the sh sound in them all have the spelling sh. But, as we know in English, spelling and pronunciation don't always match. For example, have a look at my top. This word, passion, has a double S, no sh, but the sound is sh, passion. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. So aside from the spelling sh sounding like sh, what other spelling letters can make the same sound sh? Sometimes ss, sometimes ch, sometimes s, and sometimes c. So let's take a look at some of those words with different spelling but the same sound sh. Passion, passion. Moustache, moustache. Sugar, sugar. Ocean, ocean. But let's get back to the sound sh. And here's another tongue twister to practice the sh sound. She sells seashells by the seashore. And here's one more tongue twister to practice the sh sound. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little about the sound sh in English. For lots more videos on English phonetic sounds, and for lots of different practice for English pronunciation using tongue twisters, limericks and lots more, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. You can find it here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. So head over there and do a workout today. Just a few minutes practice each day will help to strengthen those English muscles, improve your English pronunciation, and so improve your English listening. So head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym now. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.